What up, Raffleaders? Welcome back to my channel. This is the Hyatt Hotel here at Providence. It's one of 7 hotels that is being built here in Georgetown, or Greater Georgetown. That is Red Road looking west towards the East Bank Public Road. And the building straight ahead, that's the Massey Stores. It's a large grocery store chain based in Trinidad. That is looking east along the Red Road. And what you can see is that they've completed the construction of Red Road. Now on this side, I guess you can see this is Qualphone, which is a telemarketing company. And that building is the new Hyatt Hotel, which we're going to examine in this video. Raya, I guess is one of the company brands associated with this construction. BCQS International, quality surveying, project management, construction management, and so on. And this building, this is the picture. SIR Investments Inc. A building, Hyatt Place. Right, that's where it says here, Hyatt Place. This is the hotel that's being built here, Hyatt Hotel. We can see how far the hotel has come since the last time we were here. Right, so what you can see here is that there is some progress, right? There is some progress with the construction of the hotel. You can see the windows have been routed out. You can see the position of the windows in the facade of the building. I think they started installing glass on the ground, on the bottom floors, as you can see in this frame. They started installing glass on the ground floors, and you can see the places where floor-to-ceiling windows will be installed on upper floors. Next door, that is Texilla American University over here. We head east on Red Road. But you can see beyond Texilla's compound, you can see the east facing side of the new Hyatt Place. Right, so that's the new Hyatt Place Hotel here. There is some progress on the construction since the last time we were here. The last time we were here, I don't think you could have seen the shapes of the windows. They had built these floors up, but they hadn't yet completed the construction of the sides of the building. So now you can see more clearly what the east side of the building looks like and where the windows will be located, and they've already started installing windows on the lower floors of the building. But this is what's happening here at Providence. Okay, so right next door, or on the other side of the road, there is also another construction, a building that's being constructed. Let's go see if we can go one more block east, because also interesting to me in this video is to discover the on-ramps to the bridge, to the Damara River Bridge. So, as I pointed out in the previous video, this road that runs beside the Hyatt Place, the new Hyatt Place Hotel in Texila, American University, and so on. This road is going to become the busiest road in this neck of the woods. Why? Because all of bridge traffic heading onto the Demerara River Bridge and traffic heading off of the Demerara River Bridge, all that bridge traffic will end up on this road. And what I'm looking for right now is the point at which the traffic will enter this road, basically the intersection at which this road will meet the bridge ramps. I think I saw it in a previous video, but I don't think I made an issue out of it because it hadn't yet become clear. Anyway, so in future we will be able to see clearly where the bridge, I happen to believe it's going to be via this opening, right? Somewhere between these buildings, there's going to be the road to enter the bridge. Anyway, so let's look back at Hyatt. So that's the Hyatt Hotel in the distance. Come this way so that we can get a view of Hyatt Hotel from this angle. It's a 6-story building. All right, I think I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 stories if you count the ground floor and the roof garden piece of the building above the top floor. So maybe 7 floors if you count that. And morning. This Red Road or Massey Road, I don't know if this road will be renamed officially, will become the busiest road because all that traffic between the East Bank Public Road and the Heroes Highway, as well as all the traffic coming off of the bridge once it's completed and open, and traffic trying to get to the mall and to get to these hotels and to get to this Texila American University, all that traffic will eventually make this road congested. But it is good that the road has been widened and built. It's just that some people seem to have a difficulty understanding the concept of induced demand. And what that means is that eventually all of these wider roads become congested simply because by creating them, it invites demand for road space. More and more people start taking this road, using this road to commute, and eventually it becomes clogged. Anyway, that's what's happening here, guys. In the distance, you can see that those are the peaks of the towers that will support the bridge, Demerara River Bridge, beyond the Princess Hotel. And you can see it's a stone's throw away from the Hyatt Place that's being built here on Red Road in Providence next to the Texila American University. And that's what's happening in this neck of the woods. If you want to see more content like this, click like and subscribe. Share this video with friends and family around the world. Let people know what's happening in the fastest growing economy in the world, Guyana. And this is the new Hyatt Hotel. Let's see. So we'll see how far this gets over time. Seems as if they've made a significant amount of progress. Take a guess, if you can, in the comments below. Tell me when you think this hotel is going to be completed, and when you think it will be open. 2025, give me a month and a year, like August 2025 or September 2025, which is next year. Only a month and a half away, 6 weeks away. But that's it, guys. Hyatt Hotel. Share this video. Later. See one last look at Hyatt. So you can see the ground floor windows, I think, are being installed. Well, first floor windows have been installed. Tell me what you think, guys, about a completion date for Hyatt Hotel.